How to check airport lounge access on credit card. To check airport lounge access with your credit card, follow these steps. Look at the terms and conditions or the benefits guide, which can be found on the bank's website or your account dashboard. Check for specific benefits such as access to airport lounges, which may be listed under travel benefits. Identify if your card offers access to particular lounge networks like Priority Pass, LoungeKey, or American Express Centurion lounges. Visit the Lounge Network's website to find a list of participating lounges. If your card is linked with a lounge network, log in to verify your membership or access details. Call the credit card issuer's customer service to confirm lounge access and get more information about participating lounges. Ask for details on how to register your card with the lounge network, if needed. Make sure to confirm whether there are any restrictions or fees for lounge access, such as guest charges or limited visits. Thanks for watching.